What's up, crew? We have another video for y'all. We doing lemon cream cheese pound cake, and the ingredients are vanilla, lemon extract, sugar, flour, eggs, butter, and cream cheese. If you'd like to see the full video and like to see the instructions and the measurements, please stick around. Okay, family, we have 8 ounces of cream cheese, 3 sticks of butter, and we're gonna mix it till it's light and fluffy. Then we're gonna add our sugar so we can cream that together, and all ingredients are room temperature. And this would be a lemon cream cheese pound cake. Unless you're just gonna use that one. Thank you. Look at the sugar. We're gonna add our sugar. And that was 3 cups of sugar. So we have 6 eggs right here that we're gonna slowly incorporate. We're gonna do 1 egg at a time. And this 3 cups of cake flour that we sift. And we're gonna mix it till it's just combined. And guys, you don't want to overmix your batter. So I'm about to turn it off. Then we're gonna add in our vanilla extract and our lemon. So we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of the lemon extract. We don't want it to have an overpowering lemon taste, but you want to be able to get that hint of lemon in your pound cake. And we also gonna make a glaze for it. We're gonna make a lemon glaze. for this also on camera. So we're gonna mix this just until it's combined. Okay, crew. We have our pan. Have Baker's Joy. And we're gonna pour our batter. Okay, fam, we're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for an hour to 20, in an hour 30 minutes. But we'll check it probably around the hour and 15-minute mark and insert the toothpick to see if it come out clean. When it come out the oven, we'll bring you guys back. Okay, crew, here's the finished look of the lemon cream cheese pound cake. We just took it out the oven. We're gonna allow this to cool for an hour to 2 hours. Then we're gonna make the glaze. Okay, crew, we're gonna make the glaze. We have some confectioner's sugar, some vanilla flavoring, and our lemon extract. And I'm not measuring it, and it's not hard to make a glaze. So I'm gonna take a little of my vanilla flavoring and some of my lemon extract. We're gonna add a little milk. And just add a little milk at a time, depending on how thick you want your glaze. Want to give it a little taste. You're gonna add a little bit more lemon. Okay, family, here go our lemon cream cheese pound cake, and this is the consistency I want the glaze. So we just gonna drizzle it over the pound cake. Okay, here's the cake with the lemon glaze. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment on the video, click the bell, and set post notifications to all. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. We out. Peace.